Hello guys, my name is Rotimi and I'm a professional programmer and full stack web developer. But I'm making this video to showcase a sample front-end project I built using React to educate most junior developers who are still confused about how React is used to deliver front-end website solutions. But before I go on, I would like to remind you that an average React developer makes over $75,000 a year. So take your tech career very seriously this year. Now, in this project, I built two applications. The first application, Budget Planner app. The second application is Age in Years and Days. So let's go into the first application in details. Now, like all these stores, when you go to make your shoppings and you want to pay to the cashier, and the cashier takes your products one by one and begin to scan it with their scanning machine, and the scanner is going to be taking the details of the products like the name and the price and update it on their software. Unfortunately, I don't have my scanner and printer here, otherwise I would have generated some scan code and paste it on some items here. Then I will start scanning it so that you can see how this software is going to be taking the input live. Now, since I don't have the scanner to read the scan code now, I'm going to be inputting product details manually. So let's start with our first product. Let's say I want to buy a car. That's a Toyota car. I type Toyota here, and the quantity is 2. You can see quantity, you can see unit price. The quantity is 5, and unit price is, let's say, 200. And I click submit entry. The system is going to take my input and process it immediately. You can see now Toyota is here. You can see the item name is Toyota, the quantity is 5, and the unit price is 200, and it's taking the ID of 1 because that is the first product on my cart. And the net price is going to calculate the net price, which is 200 times 5, and you can see you have 1,000 here. Then the total price of all the products in your cart is going to be displayed here. It's going to be calculated and displayed here. And you can see that we have just 1,000 here. The reason is because you have just one item in your cart. Now, add the second card. Let's say you want to buy a Mercedes. Mercedes is my choice car. Mercedes. Oh, sorry. Let me type Mercedes correctly. Mercedes. Then I want to buy 2, and each one costs about 9,000 naira. That's the choice car. Then I click submit entry. You can see Mercedes is here. It's taking the ID of 2. The quantity is 2. The unit price is 9,000. The total price is 18,000. 9,000 times 2, and you have 19,000 here. This one you have 19,000 because it will sum with your previous balance, which is 1,000 naira. Then add the third item. Let me add another item. Let me say I want to buy Honda is a very decent car. Then let me say one is 300 naira. Then I want to buy. Let me say I want to buy the 3. Then one is 300 naira. Then I click submit entry. You can see what I have here. I have Honda. Then the quantity is 3, and the unit price is 300, and immediately you have 900 here, and you can see the total price here 19,900. On and on. Let me add just one more item. Let me say this time I want to buy a Kia is I want to buy 7, and one is let me say 270 naira, and I click submit entry. You can see submit entry. The Kia is here, and it is 4. The ID is 4. The quantity is 7. Each is 270 naira, and we have 1,819 naira. Immediately it will sum it with your previous balance, and we have 29,790. You can see how powerful the computation and the processing power of this software is. Now, let's say you want to erase the last item. You want to change your mind. The moment you click this erase entry interface, you can see this erase entry interface. The moment you click it, it's going to pop up the last item. Click it now, and it's going to take away the price, and you are going to have your previous balance back, which is 19,900. Let's say you want to pop out under too. Just click this erase entry interface. You can see it has popped out the 900, and you have your previous balance of 19,000 naira, and your items in your cart is now 2. Let's say you want to pop out the Mercedes now. Just click erase entry again. You can see that Toyota on the Mercedes is gone, which is 18,000, and you have your previous balance of 1,000. Now, the moment you click erase entry, when you have just one item in your cart, it is going to reset the system and wipe your previous cart. So now let's wipe it. Click erase entry. Now the system has been reset. What do I mean by the system has been reset? It means that when you want to start new shopping, it is going to start from 1. So now let's start. Let me say I want to buy land this time around, and the acres I want to buy like maybe 40 acres. the unit price of 1 acre is, let's say, 2,000. Then I click submit entry. You can see immediately land is on 1, then 40, the quantity is 40, unit price is 2,000, 2,000 times 40, we have 80,000 naira, you can see, and the total price here is 80,000. Let me say this time around, I want to buy bricks, I want to lay my foundation, then I have bricks here, then I want to buy, let's say, 400 pieces of bricks, and each unit price is 120 naira. Then I click submit entry. You can see bricks is here, then you can see it's 400, the quantity, then unit price is 120, and that is 48,000 plus our the balance of 80,000. You can see that we have 128,000. You can see the computational power of this system. Then let me say I want to add cement. I want to buy cement. I want to buy like 8 bags. Then the unit price is 4,500. And I click submit entry. You can see cement is here. Then the quantity is 8, and the 4,500. Then total price, the net price is 36,000 plus our initial balance of. Then you are going to have, you can see what we have 168,000. So that is the power of this project. And let's say now you want to wipe everything, you don't want to be erasing entries one by one. You can wipe everything by clicking this reset entries interface. The moment you click it, it's going to wipe your system and it's going to reset it. What do I mean by that? If you want to buy other assets, let me say you want to buy television this time around, television, and let's say you want to buy like maybe 8 quantities, then each unit price is 100 naira. The moment you click submit, you can see that television is on 1 because the system has been reset. Quantity is 8, unit price is 1. Then you see we have what do we have here? We have 800 naira here because 100 times 8 is 800. Let me say this again. You want to buy a sound system, home theater. Let me write home theater. And to buy home theater. Home theater is just one. Nobody buys 2 home theater. Then it is maybe, let's say, 320. Then you click submit entry. You can see what we have here, home theater and all of that. So that is the power of this project. So now let's go to the next project, age in years and days. Here, all you need to just do, look at the form here. All you need to just do is type the year you were born. Then the system is going to calculate your name and the year you were born, and the system is going to calculate it and generate your age in years and then this for you. So let me tap my name. My name is Rotimi Oladipo. Then I was born in 1985. Then I click get age. The moment I click get age, you can see what this is. The app has just done. Hello, Rotimi Oladipo. You are 39 years old, meaning that you have existed for 14,244 days. Meaning that there are 14,244 days in 39 years. That's what the system means, and it's going to analyze it in the chart for you. You can see the chart, your age chart, and you can see your age in years. You are 39 years old, and your age in this, you have existed for 14,244 days. Let's say you want to try a new calculation. Just click this new try interface. The moment you click it, it's going to wipe your previous calculation. Then type a new name. Let's say President Tinubu. What year was President Tinubu born? I can't remember again, but let me just put something there. Tinubu. Then maybe he was born in 1991. Or I click and get age. You can see, hello President Tinubu, you are 33 years old, meaning that you have existed for 12,053 years. Now, 53 days rather, which means there are 12,053 days in 33 years. So you can see the chart here, it has analyzed this in the chart. You can see your age in years, 33 years, your age in days, 12,053 days. That is the power of React. Click new try. Then, now let me now show you the security features I built into these apps. Okay, this is the planner app, the budget app. Now let me click reset entries to reset everything. You can see that these forms are empty. Let's say for instance you want to submit an empty form and you click submit entry. The system is going to flag you to fill all your input fields. And let me say, okay, you filled some fields and you left some out. Let's say, okay, you put quantity here and you left this unit price out and you click submit entry. The system is still going to flag it and say fill all input fields. And the same thing for the other app, the get age app. If you click submit entry and the forms are empty, you are going to see error fill all input fields. Let's say you fill one like your name, you refuse to put your year of birth and you click get age, the system is still going to flag it. You can see that the system has flagged this, so that is the power of it. Now let me now show you how the navigation is done in React. You can see this is the tutorial page, then this is the resources page. My objective is to raise exceptional youths in tech. So that's my objective. So you can read it here. You can visit this web, this project, this website on your own device. The URL is react.techog.com. Then, so this is the about. This is where you meet me. You can see. So thank you very much for. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.